Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is naming an company. Okay, it comes under hard, but I will make it easy. Don't worry, guys. So let's give a like. The problem is saying you are given an array of string ideas that represent the list of names to be used in a processing of naming a company. Okay. The process of naming a company is as follows. So these are the rules. Choose two distinct names from the ideas. Call them idea A and idea B. Okay. Then what you have to do? We have to swap the first letter of idea A and idea B with each other. Okay. If both of the new names are not found in the original idea, then the name of idea A and idea B is a valid company name. Otherwise, it is not a valid company name. So now what we have to return? We have to return the number of distinct valid name of for the company. Okay, so we are given a list of we are given an array of strings of ideas. So what we have to do? We have to find a distinct valid name of the company. How we can find? We have to swap the first letter of idea A and idea B. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So we are given here example idea coffee, donuts, time and toffee. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to take any two distinct name and we have to swap the first letter. So let's take first coffee. We'll take coffee, then we will take donut. Okay, now what we have to do? They told we have to swap the letter and we have to find if this any letter is there in this or not. So what we'll do? We will swap this guy here and this guy here. Okay, so now the new word will be equal to donut. Sorry, not donut, toffee and coconut. Okay, so is this two word valid is available in this list? No. So then what we have to do? We have to say like we have found one distinct value, so we have to increase one here. Okay, same thing we will do for now. Same thing we will do it for time. Okay, we'll do it for time. So what we'll do? We'll swipe this two letter and we'll find it. Do we have any letter here? Let's see. We have here time and toffee. This is toffee present here? The toffee is already present here. So what we can say? It is not a valid name. So what we have to do? We have to skip it. We don't have to increase the distinct value. We have to skip this. So what we'll do? We will go forward. So now what is the next letter here? The next letter will be toffee. So next letter will be toffee. So toffee, and after swiping it will be here toffee and coffee. Both are present here. So we will not add a distinct value for this. So one, it will, after completing coffee, it will only remain one. Okay, now let's do for donut. Okay, so donut and coffee. So we will swipe this first. Now we will have again coconuts, and here we have toffee, and it is not there in the list. So what we can say, it is a distinct value and we have to go and increase the value to now 2. Okay, so now we will go ahead with time. Okay, so we will swap this time and donut. So first letter, it will be donut. Sorry, it will be donuts and it will be dime. And we can say it is not there in this array of strings. So what we can say, we have to go and increase the value distinct. So it will be 3. So same thing we will do here. Again we will do for toffee, and again we can, after swiping it, we will get here donut, and we will get here toffee, and which is not present here. So we will go and increase the value to now 4. Okay, we have done this. Now we have done for donut, and what are we getting here? We are getting has here now distinct value as 4. Now we'll do for time. We'll do it for time. So we have time and coffee, and we already saw it is not there, so we'll go forward. We'll go forward with donut here. We'll go forward with donuts, and after swiping it, what we are getting? We are getting again dime, and here we are getting it donuts, and this is not that in this. So what we have to do? We have to go and increase the value of distinct. Now we have totally how much? We have totally how much? We have totally 5. And after that we have how much? What do you have? We have toffee. We have toffee, and here the first letter for both is TT. If after swiping also it will be same. So now what we can say here? It is already there, so we don't need to increase the value for this guy, distinct value. Now we'll go forward with toffee. Now we'll go forward with toffee. In toffee we have already seen for coffee, we don't have anything. So now search for donut, and again we will have toffee, and here we will have donut, and which is not there, not present in this value. So now we have to go and increase the value here. Now the value is here how much? It will be 6, and the answer, and we have reached the end of the array, and the answer will be equal to how much? Answer will be equal to 6. Do we get here 6? Yes, we are getting here 6. So now we have understood the problem. So let's see the approach. So now what I will do here? I will create a list here of from A till Z. Okay, so you are saying, why are you creating this? See here, what I will do, I will see here what is the first digit here, C. So I will remove C, and I will go and add it to here, coffee. Same thing I will do for donut. What is the first letter here? D. So I will go and add it to here. Okay, now again we have time here. What is the first letter? Which is T. So we will go and add here I, M, E. And another word is toffee, which is T here. So we have to go and add coffee. And I don't want any duplicate. For that I will create a set. Okay, so this is all set, so I don't want any duplicate, so I will create a set for you. I hope you understood like what I did here. I took a first value, and I will see where it is. Then I create a substring starting from 1 till the end. So we created the C will have coffee, and D will have donut, and here time will have T will have I'm and coffee. Okay, so we created a list here. After that, what I have to do? I have to see if coffee is already there here or not. If it is already there, then what I have to do? I have to see it is all. We will create a DP here of I and J. And what is I and J? J will be 26. Why 26? Because in alphabet we have 26 letters, so we will create a 26 and 26. And whenever I find here same thing, so as example, I find here coffee and coffee, I will go and increase the value. So this is an approach. So I will tell you like why I am doing this. So see, we have coffee here. So what we'll do? We will go and search here. Is this have same? Is any word here is same here? So we can say here is coffee and here is donut. So we can say there is no a single word which is same. So what I will do here? I will go and I will say just say here what is the size here. Size is equal to 1, and we don't have any same, so we will not do minus here. Same is 0 here. And after that, what I have to do? I have to do here multiplication into 1 minus 0. So we have to find, see, if there was 2 here, I have to do multiplication. So how many letter we can find? We can find 2 into 1, but here in this case we have only 1. So here we have 1 into 1, we can form here 1. And same thing for this toffee, we can form again here. So same equation will create. If we want here I and j is equal to here j and I. So then what we can do here, if they both are equal, then simply do multiplication by 2. So here we can say we have found here 2. Now again coffee will go here, and you see, if we have a duplicate here, so what we'll do? We'll do first size is equal to 1, and we have how many duplicate? We have only one duplicate. So we'll do -1 and here multiply here, and we will say here here we have 2 minus 1, and what is here we are finding here? 0 into 1, so it is equal to 0. So we cannot find here offie and time here, so we cannot find any unique valid approach here, so it will be 0. So we have found here, now the distinct value is equal to 2 here from this case, and here it will be 0. Okay, so this is one approach here. Now what we have to do? Now we will simply go for donut. Now we will take donut. We have a unique approach for 2 here. Now we will go for donut. What is the size of donut? Size of the donut is 1. Okay, size of the donut is 1. And do we have any same here? No, we don't have any same here, so it will be -0. Okay, so now what we'll do? We will see for this guy which is 2 here. The size of this is 2. Do we have any same here? No, so it will be 0. So what is the answer here? 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. And if we go if this is I, now this is j, so now we can interchange it, and it will be also it will be also 2. So now if we add both the value, it will be 4. So we can do into 2. Okay, so it will be equal to 4. I hope you understood this approach. So we will do, and we will have a set value from A till Z, and we will add the substring from starting from 1 for everything, and we will see if there's any duplicate. We will say we will have minus here, and what is the size of here? If the size of here was 2, we had found any word value, but we don't have any size. 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. We will find here 0, and in next case we have 2 here, so we will do it 2 here. I hope you understood this approach. So let's code it, and simply we will do each and every step together. So now first we have to do, we have to create here a set. What do we have to do? We have to create a set. What is the set value? Set we should have a string. What should have? It should have a string of nut, lime, and offer. Okay, so we will do a string here. Okay, we will create a string, and it here, like we have 1 2 3. So what we say? We can create an array of set. Okay, new set. And what is the size here? What was the size here? Till 1 till Z. So what is the size? The size was equal to 26. Okay, after that what we have to do? So what we have to go and iterate, and we have to create a hash set for everyone. So we have to create hash set for this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. So what we'll do? We will say for int I equal to 0, I should be less than equal to 26, because the size is 26, and I plus plus. Now what do you have to do? We have to create an hash set. So set I equal to new capital H hash set. We have created hash set. After that, what I have to do? I have to keep on adding offer. So we have to take offer here, and we have to keep on adding offer here. So what I did here, I have to iterate we have to iterate full all the ideas here, and I have to put it to the list here, put it to the set. So I'll use for each here string s starting from ideas. Okay, what I am doing here, this is string, I did D, okay, G. Okay, what we can do here? So if what is the first letter here? The first letter is, what is the first letter? Which is C. So, and I have to add OFFE. So what I will do here, I will say here set of this one as dot character at 0, sorry, so 0 minus a to make it to integer. What I have to add? I have to add a string starting from OFFEE. So it is starting from 1 till the end. So what I have to do? Go add a substring starting from what? Starting from 1. So after that we will have a array. We will have this. I hope you understood till here. We will have this value. Okay, sorry. We will have this value. We have created this list now. Now we'll go and we'll go forward. Now what we have to do? We have to see. Now what we have to do? We have to see if this is there here. If this is there here, what I have to do? I have to increase it. For that, what we have to do? We have to create a DP of size. What is the size here? What should be the size here? Size should be equal to 26 and 26. Okay. So what we'll do? Int. It should be same or not. I have to check same. If it is same, I have to increase it. And what is the size here? Obviously it's DP. So what is the size here? Size is equal to 26 and another size is equal to 26. Why 26? Because we have alphabet has 26. I hope I'm clear here. Now what I have to do? I have to iterate to the array. Till 26 and I plus plus. Okay, this much is clear. I am simply iterating to the array. Now what I have to do? I have to take each and every word from this. So how we can do it? I can say for string s from which set. So I have two set here. I have to take from set I. So here is empty here it is empty here, and here for 2 we have offer here. So this 2 will be empty and this will be offy. So what I will do? I have to take each and every string here. Here in this case we have 1. Here in this case also we have 1. But in this case we have 2. Okay. What I will do? I want each and every word from set I. Okay. After that what I have to do? I have to iterate to the array. From where I have to start? I have to see, when I started, if I was here and J was here, J should go till here. Okay. Yeah, J should not come up here. We are wasting our time while going up. So we can simply do multiply by 2. It is easy. So we will go from J till down. I hope I'm clear here. So what I will do? I plus 1. J should be less than how much? Should be less than obviously 26, and J plus plus. And if set of J, in this case we have 2. Here it will be false, but here it was true. So what I have to say? If set of J dot contains contains the value as, then do one thing. Go to the same I and J plus plus. This much only. What I did here, I did a DP, and whenever, what is this here? 0, 1, 2, 2. So array of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So array of 2 and array of 19. So same. We have same of 2 and 19. So what I can say, these both are equal, so increase the value plus plus. I hope I'm clear here. Let's go down. We created this guy, we have created this guy. After that, what we have to do? We have to use this formula, what I did here. So I hope you understood till here. What I did here, I have just seen, like, if there is any same value, just increase the value to plus 1. Okay, I hope I'm clear till here. Now what I have to do? I have to have a result, and I have to add what should I add? I have to add a set I set I in this case is offie. Just assume we have offie here, and here set j is equal to donut. Is there any similar between these two? No. So here we have to say 0, and here we have to multiply this by set j. What is set j? Donut. Set j size is 1. So 1 minus 0. And last, what we have to do? So if this is 2, then opposite also will be 2. So into 2. Into 2. Okay. So what I am doing here, I am saying here for int I equal to 0, I is less than how much? 26, and I plus plus. And here also for int j is equal to I plus 1, and j should be less than equal to 26, and j plus plus. I hope I'm clear till here. I'm just iterating to the array. And if I find, so I have to have a variable which is long here. So I will create a variable here first. Long result will be assigned to 0 first. Then what I will do here, I have to add result plus equal to, okay, plus equal to. So here it will be set of I. So we took here set of I. Do we have any similar here? We don't have. So what we have to do? We have to say minus. Is there any same? If there is not same, then it will be equal to 0. And again, what you have to do? We have to multiply the same thing. We have to multiply the same thing, but it should be here now j. And at last, what you do? We have to multiply by 2, because opposite also will be equal. So here, what we'll do here? We will multiply by 2. I hope I'm clear till here. So what we'll do? After this, we have to just return the result value. Return the result. Let's run this. Do we get error? Yeah, obviously we get error. So what is the error here? So same, okay. So same is created outside this. Okay. A bad operator. So okay. Minus only, right? Okay, just learn and see. For a binary operation, let's see here what we did here. We have, I would say, just put this guy. So I will have a set here, set of I. So we will take set of I. Okay, size. So okay. So I was missing the size here. The set of I minus size. So what is the size here? I was making a size here. Set of I size minus. So I will just make it back. I don't need to write this again. Dot size. The same thing I have to do it here. I hope this is clear. I have to put dot. Let's see. Yeah, now it's getting accepted. I forgot about, we have to see the size here. We have to make the size here. In this case it was 2, and in this case was 1, and here it was also 1. So we have to get the answer here. I hope I'm clear here. Let's submit and see. So it should be about 90. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting 95%. We are beating 95%. I hope this each and every line is clear. If you still have any doubt, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please give a like. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. And thank you for watching. Keep coding. Bye.